Hello, my name is Meenakshi.
Hello, my name is Danica.
Hi, my name is Shreya.
Hi, my name is Amishi.
And we are Team MDSA from the 14th Congressional District.
COVID-19 is airborne. It spreads through the air. Ventilation with air purifiers and natural wind reduce infection risk by separating air streams that might contain the virus. Previous research has shown CO2 levels to be a good proxy for ventilation. Therefore, we decided to make an app using measured CO2 levels to inform the user and provide guidance for improving ventilation.
Many businesses have been negatively impacted by COVID-19 and struggle to reopen safely. CO2 Sensei helps small businesses maintain safe levels of ventilation. Good carbon dioxide levels are important in the workplace because scientists have found a decrease in cognitive ability when CO2 levels increased.
A tuberculosis outbreak in Taiwan shows the importance of ventilation and that CO2 can be used as a good proxy for an airborne disease. Once air circulation was improved in classrooms from 3,000 parts per million to 600, the engineers noticed that the outbreak stopped.
Welcome to CO2 Sensei. First, open the app. Then, turn on Bluetooth. A code will appear on the sensor. Enter the code into the app. The sensor and the iPhone are not connected. Home screen displays the current carbon dioxide level. The graph section allows the user to see the previous carbon dioxide levels between two different dates. For CO2 sensors without Bluetooth, the self-upload allows the user to just take a picture of the sensor screen. Our artificial intelligence will detect text, and the CO2 level is still saved in Google Sheet. The user input section allows the users to manually input the carbon dioxide levels. The data is entered into the Google Sheets and cloud.
The home screen displays the current carbon dioxide levels along with color-coded levels. This code is a function to read the data sent from the sensor and convert to an easier form. The graph showed the trends of CO2 throughout the selected time period, which can help to see how different actions affect the CO2 levels. These functions are used to get the data from Google Sheets and then use high charts to create graphs. The self-upload allows the user to take pictures of their sensor. Our artificial intelligence will detect the text. The code utilizes Apple's Vision AI.
The information section connects to our website, co2sensei.com, and has information about ventilation and COVID-19.
We learned in the importance of indoor ventilation. The team also learned how to publish an app into the App Store. We also shared our app with local business owners and incorporated their feedback.